So welcome students. In this question, we given integration from 0 to pi x f of sin x dx is equal to what? So you have given 4 options. So first let us try to simplify this using our properties of definite integral. So let us say that this is I, 0 to pi x times f of sin x dx. So now we know that you have 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is, I can substitute x with pi minus x. That is 0 to pi minus x times f of sine of pi minus x dx. That is equal to integration from 0 to pi minus x. We know that f of sine pi minus x, sine of pi minus x is again equal to sine x. F of sine x dx. Now if you add these two, you get 2i is equal to, if you add these two, x times f of sin x minus x times f of sin x gets cancelled. That is 0 to pi times f of sin x dx. So pi is a constant, so I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Now in the questions, as you can see, the first option is pi times 0 to pi f of sin x dx. Obviously this is not true. First option is wrong. And in the last option you have pi times f of cos x dx. Again, that is also wrong. So you have the remaining two options, you have 0 to pi by 2 as the option that you have. So in the options you have 0 to pi by 2. So let us try to convert this into the option corresponding to 0 to pi by 2. That is equal to pi by 2 times integration from. So obviously if you put pi minus x in the place of x, the function is not changing. So this can be written as 2 times 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. So if you have 0 to a f of x dx, if on putting a minus x in the place of x, if the function doesn't change, you can write that as 2 times 0 to pi by 2 f of x sin x. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So that is equal to integration pi times integration 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. So again this is also wrong because you have pi by 2 times f of this. So this is same as pi times 0 to pi by 2. So again you can use the property 0 to a f of x dx can be written as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is, in the place of x you can put pi by 2 minus x. It is f of cos x dx. Both are same. So pi times 0 to pi by 2 f of cos x dx, option C is the right option to this question. Thank you.